so I've just set up like a little shop with some prices. Obviously these are not the real prices because I don't think you can get a newspaper for 2p, but just to give her a sort of idea. And then we've got a book here with a money page, which is quite helpful. It's this one here from Home Bargains. And then we also have the coins here as well. So yeah, we're going to learn about money today, and not sure what we're doing for English just yet. I think she's going to write a story, but I will show you that after. And then we're also going to go for a walk as well. So yeah. Okay guys, so for lunch today the kids wanted like a packed lunch. And it usually just has school dinners, but I thought, you know what, I'm going to mix it up and it's a bit of fun for them, isn't it? Bearing in mind I've got two kind of girly-ish lunch boxes. This was Ellie's old one, so I must actually get Harry a lunchbox for the future, like nurseries and stuff. But he doesn't mind, he loves frozen, so that's all good. This is Harry's. He has some cut up grapes in this little tub. That's the lid there. He's got some ham sandwiches, a winder, some chocolate milk, what they call dairy milk buttons, an apple, raisins and some crisps. So that's Harry's. And then Ellie's got pretty much the same. She's got ham sandwiches, cut up grapes, but she has this white Twix that she is obsessed with. She loves these, so that's her little treat today. She's having a white Twix. Then she's got these Tesco strawberry bites with yogurt flavoured coating, an apple and a packet of crisps. And then this is Ellie's lunchbox from Smiggle. So that is their lunchboxes.
Caused by coronavirus, and I have been called there to it out. But what we know so far is its symptoms and how it affects humans. Yes, a person infected from this disease.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is Thursday. Ellie's keeping track on the days because I generally have no idea what day it is.
She waked up early because she wants her printer now.
Yeah, we'll talk about that in a minute. So I haven't filmed much in the last week, generally because there's not much to film. Harry's now calling me, typical. Obviously we're in lockdown, so it's pretty much the same every day, and we're indoors pretty much every day. 10:30 and we haven't even started homeschool yet. It's going really well. We're doing it every day since like coming back off the Easter holidays. But Ellie's got quite a bad stomachache today, so we're going to take it a lot slower, but still cover English and maths.
I'm probably not going to have no food today.
Yeah, I told her to like
her printer's
cut out.
coming in 2 hours.
Mummy, let me get Harry. You speak to the camera.
Hello? I'm just going to watch this one. What's the matter, Harry? She's getting a toy.
As I was saying, yeah, we're taking it a little bit slow today, but we're still going to cover maths and English, but maybe just like on the laptop or something. Is that alright, Ellie? Yeah? On the sofa, yeah, because we usually do it on the table. She's been really good at it, but she's not feeling 100% today, so I thought we'll do it on the sofa and snuggle up. You look really pale as well. She hasn't got a temperature or anything, have you? Your lip's hurting. I've ordered a printer, which I've never been so excited to receive a printer before.
She probably can't even build it.
No, I don't know how to set it. I've never set up a printer in my life. But we've been getting my dad to print off worksheets, and he posts them to us.
He really wants dinosaur pictures.
Yeah.
He loves dinosaurs.
He loves
a dinosaur
dinosaurs.
bed in my room.
Yeah, we'll talk about that in a second as well. So yeah, I'm just forever asking my dad, can you print this off? Can you print this off? And I thought, do you know what, I'm always printing, and with my work as well, I've got contracts and briefs that I need to print out, and it's just handy to have a printer, isn't it? So yeah, I ordered a printer from Curry's. I've got a really good deal actually.
Curry's?
Yeah, that's where I got it from. I didn't get it from Argos. So that'll be coming literally within the next hour.
My Barbie thing's coming on.
And then I ordered, because they've been so good, I ordered just a little treat from
Harry
Argos.
has a dinosaur kit because he loves dinosaurs.
Yeah, he's obsessed with dinosaurs at the moment. Like, he actually thinks he's a dinosaur, doesn't he?
He watched dinosaur films and Mummy got him a dinosaur pillow.
Yeah,
Well,
so
when
I've got
he's
him.
in bed, he
Yeah,
will have it.
I've got him a dinosaur bucket full of dinosaurs. And what did you get? A Barbie?
Yeah,
It's
that's
coming tomorrow. Colour changing Barbie. Oh, you want to sit here?
Yeah.
Okay, say hello. Say hi.
So cute. No.
No, okay.
Ouch.
He's been it's been good, but also testing.
Harry's been really
At the same
naughty
time.
yesterday.
Here.
No. Harry, what are
He's
you
now
doing?
got a sponge. No, don't touch that. Dirty, 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 dirty. Welcome to a day in the life of us.
I told you
Excuse the hair. I haven't, where it's so thick and it desperately needs a cut. Like, I was supposed to have it cut this month, but because we're in lockdown, I can't.
Wait, let's
so
have lipstick on.
yeah, your lips look really red, don't they? I haven't been able to have a haircut, and it's just so thick and heavy at the moment. So I've literally just been shoving it up and not styling it. I don't want to put heat to it. Obviously, if we're staying indoors, there's no point. So
Get me.
can you see, Ellie?
Yeah.
Yeah, we also ordered Harry a
Dinosaur
big boy
bucket.
bed. No,
Oh, yeah.
bed. I got a toddler bed from Asda. It was such a good price. It come with a mattress as well.
What?
I was going to get one of them beds that are like car shaped, or you can get like Peppa Pig beds, stuff like that. But I thought, I don't know, I think he'll grow out of it.
Dinosaurs, get him a dinosaur.
Yeah, he'll grow out of it quite quick. So I just got a plain white toddler bed with sides. And then I let
That's
him...
what I have, but I have a 10 under.
Yeah, do you know what? It's similar to yours actually. But yours is more of a mid-sleeper bunk bed.
Have I got 10 underneath?
No, his is just, you'll see it soon. Anyway, I let him pick out his bedding. He chose the dinosaur bedding. So it's kind of, you know, he's picked his sort of bed. And I think he's ready. I don't know how it's going to go. I'm kind of dreading it. But I think he's ready to have his own bed now. He's sleeping with me and
He's
Paul
probably
still.
he's watching dinosaurs right now on his iPad.
Yeah, so we're going to make it exciting for him. Maybe do a new bedtime routine. He's so bored as well, bless him. If Ellie's feeling better later, we're going to go for our long walk that we done the other day. Okay guys, so here is our coffee machine. I just have it on this surface bit here in the kitchen, and I love it because it's a bit like a hotel B&B. You've got your cereal dispenser that you have at B&Bs and hotels, and then a coffee machine, and then I just have like my fruit and the microwave there. One thing about this coffee machine, it is very bulky. It does take up a lot of space, but that's okay because you know, it doesn't bother us too much. So we have it on this bit of the kitchen. Excuse the washing up that I have to do. And then obviously we have all of these sides, still 3 to use. So this is sort of our like B&B hotel help yourself sort of area. And yeah, this is the coffee machine. This is the brand here. And then I believe the model, I'll leave it all linked down below, we got it from Argos, is ESAM 800 I think. But yeah, it's absolutely brilliant, and it's really simple to use. I'm going to show you how to use it. Like I said, I wanted one that was easy to use and I didn't have to like faff about with it and press loads of buttons. Super easy. It takes coffee beans, so you put the coffee beans into this section here. So if you can see there, that's our coffee beans we actually need to like fill up. But we're using at the moment the Costa coffee beans, which is my favourite. And then when that runs out, we're going to try this one, which is Starbucks blonde espresso roast. And yeah, we've just got our cups up here as well. So I use these for lattes, if I want to. They're kind of like the tall glasses, or I've got these for cappuccinos. They're like a large mug, but the ones that I've been really loving at the moment, I've just washed this up. It's just basically like a glass mug. These were from Home Bargains and they were like £1.40 or something, but I love using these. I just think they look really like classy, and they look expensive. They're really good quality, but they wasn't a lot at all. So yeah, they're the kind of cups that I use for it. And then you can also use ground coffee as well. You just pop it into this section here at the top, and then you change the settings to ground coffee. But because we've got coffee beans, ours is on there. So yeah, you pick your strength that you want, or like if you want half a cup, a full cup of coffee. We kind of like it here. We don't like it too strong, but obviously if we do like it stronger, maybe in the mornings we can change the settings. Obviously it's got the power button. If you are making 1 cup of coffee like I am now, you press this one, and then if it was me and Paul and we wanted to make 2 cups of coffee, we obviously press that. And then my favourite part of this coffee machine, I love the frothy milk you get with a latte and a cappuccino. It is my absolute favourite, and this is what kind of made me buy this coffee machine. And I know loads of coffee machines have that option, but I really liked this one. So this here, if you press this button, this is what's going to steam the milk and make it all frothy. And you basically, I have one of these stainless steel jugs that I fill up with milk, and then I pop it into here and make it go all frothy, and it gets hot as well. And I love this bit. It makes, honestly, I feel like a proper, what's it called? Is it barista? Like a coffee barista when I do this, because I used to watch him in Costa, and I used to be like, oh, I wish I could do that at home. And now I have one. And I used to spend, obviously before the lockdown, I used to spend a lot of money every day on coffees and lattes and stuff. So I do think it's worth it if you do love coffee. And obviously you can use a reusable mug and take it out with you. It's just absolutely great. And I have a coffee in the morning, usually a coffee in the afternoon, and sometimes a tea or a coffee at night. It just depends. But anyway, I'm going to show you now how to use this.
I just want to hold you. I just want to look into your eyes and tell you that I want you. You know you make me feel so alive. Can't stop thinking about you day and night. Love it when you kiss me, love it when we touch. Every time I'm down, yeah, you make me smile. You're the solution. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are. You are the solution. You are the solution. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are. You are the solution. You are the solution. You are the solution. You are the solution.
Okay, so Ellie's doing some English. I will leave the website for this that I found, but it's all free, and I think she's going to read something, and then there's questions or something. She's following this lady. Okay, we are just heading out for a little walk. I got sent this by Katie&Baby. It's the Metro stroller. This was supposed to be for our holiday, but obviously we're not going. Yeah, it's one of the lightweight ones that you can take on the airplane with you, and I absolutely love it for just like going around the block or just going for short walks.
So you can use this. really
Yeah, Ellie sits in it as well. But yeah, we're bringing some Pringles for a little snack because it's nearly lunchtime. And Harry's bed come and the printer. So yeah, we're going to go for a little walk. And then when we come home, Daddy will probably be home. We'll have some lunch.
Mommy,
My shoe? You look nice. And Ellie, you look nice. Have we got hats?
We left our love with question marks, with broken hearts. I went all my life without you. Something right could be so wrong. Carry on, cause you know I have to.
Ellie, show me
yours.
yours. Got cornetto. Ellie's in the buggy. Okay guys, I've just set up our new printer. If anyone's interested, it's this one, HP LaserJet Pro M15W. Apparently it's the smallest, most affordable LaserJet printer, and we just went for a LaserJet and not colour just because 99% of the time we just need like black and white worksheets and stuff. So yeah, and it prints a lot quicker as well. So it's really compact, which I love because I wanted to put it on this, excuse the state of it at the moment, but this is our like homeschooling area. So I wanted one, because we've got a plug down there, I wanted one that will fit here, and some of them are really bulky. So yeah, I'm absolutely loving the compact size of this, and it was quite easy to set up as well. And yeah, I've just printed some stuff off. Some of them were like testing stuff, and then the kids have just printed, this is basically all of Ellie's work for the summer term. I've just printed off a little bit. So I've got some more worksheets, which is really good, and it's so nice that I've got my own print now. And then we printed off some colouring pages, didn't we?
We got Charles and Unicorn and Kevin.
Yeah, you picked which one. So Harry's got, what have you got?
Dinosaurs.
Dinosaur and biscuits.
And he has a Monsters Inc. one and another dinosaur.
Yeah, where's your Monsters Inc. one?
Oh, it's near the sofa.
Ah. So yeah, Ellie's doing this for the NHS, put on our window.
And we're clapping tonight.
Yep, clapping tonight, it's Thursday.
It says thank you to
Harry, is that nice?
the NHS.
Yeah? What one have you got? A dinosaur? Oh wow, Harry. Do you want green?
Look what I done. No.
No, you don't want green. You want black?
Yeah.
Okay, let me open that for you then. No, that's black. Here you go.
Look on my feet, you guys. I have a tablet.
So I'm going to colour this one in.
The breakfast
time. And then we've got some spare ones here as well.
That was
These are
really long
cute.
for me, so I was like, Mummy, you can have that one.
Yeah, no, we'll do all these together, won't we?
Thank you.
So I thought I'd show you what we're doing for homeschooling today. Her teacher sent some new work for the summer term, so I was printing that off yesterday with my fabulous printer. So she's got spelling test to do. I think she's focusing on the OU and ON words at the moment, so we need to focus on them a little bit. So that's her spelling test. And then she's going to pick a book out from our little library, and then she's going to write all about it. So what's her favourite parts, how many stars she'd give it, and she's obviously got to read the book as well. So that's really good, I like these. So, and then we've got real and nonsense words for EE. So she's got to figure out what ones are real words and what ones are fake words. And then she's quite good at this, and we've actually covered it already, but I thought I'd still kind of show her what the teacher's set. We're doing all this, darling, and it's basically about questions.
Is this handwriting?
Spellings. So yeah, this is all about questions, and like I said, we've already covered that, so she should be quite good at these now, we'll see. But this is everything what the school provided, but as you can tell, most of it is from Twinkle, if you are interested. And then we will move on to maths. And then I said once that's done, Ellie can have her little surprise. She's such a good girl. But I thought if I give it to her now, she'll want to play with it. So it just makes her want to work even harder.
No, I'll just leave it on the table.
You can leave it on the table and look at it, yeah.
Put it in the packet.
Yeah. Okay? Okay. I had to give Harry's because it will probably keep him busy while we get this done. Oh, Harry, look at this dinosaur. This is my favourite.
T-Rex.
Oh, T-Rex. Don't hurt me. Be gentle. Be gentle. Gentle.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, is that baby one?
Harry.
Harry.
Whoa, Gary.
Is it scary?
Yeah. Ooh, Gary. No, Mommy.
Out. I'm going to go out. We're not going to go out because we're in lockdown. Out. About. A bout. A bout. About.
Done.
Mouth.
Right.
Ellie, look. Mouth.
1, 2, 1, 2, 3. I've been feeling so small. Watch the clock ticking off the wall. But tonight I'm letting it go. Spend my coin for sure. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel.
Ellie's drawing her favourite scene from the book, which is this one.
And do different eyes.
That's alright. Okay, Ellie's finished her work. Well done, you done really well, didn't you?
Yeah.
You get all that out. So what do you need?
Warm water in this cup.
Sure.
And then a cold water with ice in a bowl.
Okay, so this is the Barbie.
Pizza Barbie.
She was purple. We didn't show in the end, did we, Ellie?
You're supposed to do that, Mum.
She basically has purple paint on her.
Yes.
Then you discover what one you get.
Yes, you got some wet. Look, it's colouring. See what colour lips.
Oh, I see.
Look at her lips.
Got it? I think you got it. I heard something.
Yes.
Wow.
I think we need to brush your hair.
But if I was to get another one in a couple of weeks' time,
Yeah.
you might get her again.
No, you won't.
You don't know. It's a surprise.
No, you won't.
They just send you one.
You won't. Get all the balls! Get all the balls!
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is Sunday, and we've come for our little daily walk in a forest. So the whole social distancing thing, one walk a day, and we found a new forest not far from us. It was like literally 10 minutes away, and yeah, we're just gonna let the kids run about. Ellie's got a clipboard with like a nature scavenge hunt thing. I'll show you it. So she's really excited to find some stuff. So it's sort of a like geography lesson as well, really. But yeah, we're gonna have a lovely day. It's beautiful weather, and we've got a few snacks with us as well. What have you got on your clipboard?
A treasure hunt.
Treasure hunt. Come over here, darling, because the bite's coming. Ellie, come over here.
I found a tree.
Okay, show me your treasure hunt.
Got three. That one. that one, and that one.
Okay, have you found anything yet?
We need a green leaf and the brown leaf.
Okay.
Green and brown leaf. And there's police over here.
I feel like you haven't been in my vlogs for
Months. Years.
months. Obviously Paul's still working, so... Is this police?
No.
No. There's a lot of police out, obviously, making sure that everyone's following the rules. Okay. Ellie, what one did you tick?
Log.
Log, right. So we found log. Harry's off. This is so beautiful. Literally not a cloud, well, there's a few clouds.
Quickly! Oh, there's bears over there. Come over here.
Quick! Quick, 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 quick.
Don't scare them, they'll run away.
I think we found some deers. Can you see it? Oh.
Hello. Oh, look. Over there.
I lose my breath whenever I see you. You stole my heart, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon needs the sun, we don't care about the others. You set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire.
Just missed Daddy's dancing on this log. Dirty dancing.
Go down here.
Be careful. Don't know
Just jump.
twisted ankles today. We're literally in a forest. We're trying to find some bluebells. There's a few over there, but not enough to take a photo. Oh, they're trying to find some insects. Show me.
Look at the one.
Ew.
That's it.
Where?
Oh, it's gone.
I'm blind. Oh, Daddy's key went through there.
Better do that.
Look, there's
Cockroach. Wood lice.
There's loads here, look.
Yeah.
I'm scared.
What you got? A stick. Are you stick man?
Yeah.
You stick man. Oh, look at the bluebells. They're so pretty. Oh. You need fell.
It's heavy.
Do you want that one?
Yeah. Oh, I mean. Oh, what you got?
Oh!
Chuck it all in there.
Mummy.
Okay, we're home now. We were out for quite a few hours, weren't we, Paul? 3 o'clock now. It's crazy. The kids are just having an ice pole. Where's the bag?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, we've got some more ice poles because Paul's going to try and do like a frozen slushy cocktail. But yeah, it's so nice getting out. Obviously we haven't got a garden, so we've been going for walks around the block. But I was just so desperate to just go somewhere where we could just keep walking and walking, and yeah, it was lovely. So got some lovely photos as well. So I'm now gonna have a coffee. I showed you my coffee machine in, I think it was yesterday's vlog or the vlog before that, but I'm literally obsessed with it. It's a brilliant one. And yeah, I'm gonna pour a coffee, and hopefully Harry's gonna have a little nap. He's so tired, bless him. We've done a lot of walking here. Okay, let's get the milk out. Got my jug. Got my milk. Let's go. A bit wrong, but I tried. The stencil got caught in the foam.
What's it meant to say?
I love you.
Oh, I thought it said I owe you.
Careful, it's quite hot. Why are you scared?
Head's a bit frothy.
It's fine, it's the best when it's frothy. Paul needs a haircut.
That's nice.
Nice? Better than Costa? I don't really know if it's a latte or a cappuccino.
No, this is more of a small latte.
Okay.
Cappuccino.
What would you give it out of 10?
Probably give it a 9.9 because you messed up. Freeze Prosecco Popper.
What about Mr. Freeze Prosecco Pop? Oh, I don't know. It looks good though.
That's what I just basically said.
Yeah.